Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we'll delve into Total Quality Management, TQM, a philosophy that transforms manufacturing from a reactive to a proactive approach to excellence. We'll explore how TQM empowers companies to deliver superior products consistently, exceeding customer expectations. By the end of this session, you will have a comprehensive understanding of total quality management principles and how they can be applied in real-world manufacturing settings. Who drives quality? The customer. In TQM, the customer reigns supreme. We identify and understand customer needs, wants, and expectations. Every process, from design to delivery, revolves around exceeding those expectations. Satisfied customers become loyal advocates, driving long-term success. Striving for perfection, continuous improvement in TQM. TQM is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously seeking ways to improve processes, eliminate defects, and optimize efficiency. Unlocking potential, employee involvement in TQM. TQM recognizes that employees are the backbone of manufacturing excellence. Actively engage the team in quality initiatives by providing training, fostering communication, and empowering them to identify and solve problems. We tap into a powerful resource for continuous improvement. Beyond the factory walls, supplier collaboration in TQM. Quality doesn't stop at the factory doors. TQM fosters strong partnerships with suppliers. By collaborating on quality standards, supplier scorecards, timely deliveries, and innovation, you can build a robust ecosystem that ensures excellence throughout the supply chain. Harnessing the power of data, statistical process control. TQM relies on data to identify trends, predict problems, notify team members, and measure improvements. Companies can use statistical process control, SPC, inspections, and other data capture methods. These powerful toolsets that helps us analyze data, identify variations in production, and maintain consistent quality standards. The TQM Toolkit, empowering quality improvements. TQM utilizes a variety of tools to improve quality. Techniques like Six Sigma, failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, Poka-yoke, mistake proofing, 5 Whys, 8D, and other to identify and eliminate defects, streamline processes, and improve overall quality. Praxi has a large library of best practice apps to choose from. Measuring success, performance metrics in TQM. Effective TQM implementation hinges on robust performance measurement. We'll identify key metrics like defect rates, customer satisfaction scores, and production efficiency to track progress and ensure continuous improvement efforts are yielding results. Example metrics include first-time quality, first-pass yield, product returns or issue parts per million, corrective actions, cycle time, and more. Engage the Praxi team for help in defining the right metrics for your organization. Reaping the rewards, the benefits of TQM. By embracing TQM, manufacturers reap significant benefits. We'll explore how TQM reduces costs, enhances customer satisfaction, improves employee morale, and drives innovation, leading to a sustainable competitive advantage. The journey begins the road to excellence with TQM. TQM is a transformative journey. We've explored the core principles, tools, and benefits. By implementing TQM, we can create a culture of quality, optimize production processes, and deliver exceptional products that consistently delight customers. By embracing total quality management principles and methodologies, organizations can achieve greater quality and competitiveness in today's dynamic market. So, now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.